We're always looking for ways that we could kill two birds with one stone. So in this video, we're going to show you how to make a banana fertilizer. And we're going to start right now. What's going on, YouTube Gardening? It's your boy Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. Hopefully after watching this video, you're going to learn how to make a banana fertilizer for your garden. So we have some bananas here, and bananas are a great source of calcium and potassium, and also helps lower your blood pressure. But what we're going to do is going to add these into our garden. And the simple way to do it is we're going to chop these up into the finest solid surface that we can get it at. We just set the oven at a temperature of 250 degrees. We're going to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes, and we're going to check it about every 15 minutes just to see how crispy it could get. Normally, you can leave these out in the sun, but for video to kind of speed up the process, we're just going to do it this way. Alright, so we got all of these as fine as possible that we can get it at. We're going to put it in the oven. We're going to let it slowly heat up to get it dried out, because that way you still keep the amount of nutrients in here. The nutrients that you have in here, you have about 42% potassium, about 25% phosphorus, and then you got some magnesium, manganese, sulfur. So those are going to be great nutrition for your plants and your soil. Alright, so it's still kind of soft, so we're going to let it go in there for another 15 minutes till it gets real kind of dry. Like I said, you want to slowly dry it out so you don't lose that much nutrition from the banana peels. Alright, so it's been in the oven for about an hour at 250 degrees. It's feel nice and dehydrated. So now we're going to try to put it in this little coffee grinder and get it as fine as possible, so that way when we add it as a top dressing or a fertilizer, it'll be able to break down and decompose a lot faster. Alright, so we got the banana peels dried and grounded up. Now, there's another way that you can use banana as a fertilizer. If you're interested about learning how to do that, hashtag life is bananas down below. So now we're going to show you how to do a top dressing. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you don't miss an upload. Alright, so now we're just going to add a little bit of this and then just mix it into the ground. Just like that. Now we do other DIY tips. We'll put a playlist above here so that way you can follow along. Until the next video, let's grow together.